Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and welcome to Indonesia. It's my first time in this beautiful country, and I'm psyched to be able to take you along with me to document an incredible story.
I'm here to learn more about the incredible Hope Grows coral restoration project.
It's an incredible project that aims to restore coral reefs across the world, and their flagship site is here in Indonesia off the coast of Makassar. It's a reef called Hope Reef, and you'll find out exactly where that is later in the vlog, but I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to see how they built a coral reef and then what it looks like 5, 10, 15 years down the line. I've heard a lot about this particular reef and seen lots of images, but I'm psyched to be able to experience it firsthand, so let's go and check it out. So after meeting the incredible team in Makassar, the first thing that we did was a GoPro workshop. A lot of the guys here are shooting on GoPro when they're out on the reef every day, and I just wanted to give them some tips and tricks on what they can do just to be able to adjust their settings to make editing a little bit easier. Happy World Oceans Day. To celebrate, we're going to head out onto Hope Reef, the world's largest restored coral reef, to see how it's faring and how healthy the corals are. The team behind me is getting ready, loading our old stuff up onto the boat. We're going to see today exactly how they build a reef star, place it down into the water, and also how pre-existing reef stars are doing compared to the new ones. It's going to be amazing to see how much growth there is, and I've never seen this method of coral propagation before, so I'm really intrigued to see how it looks underwater.
That's nice.
Sometimes those spray fans here, so much of a difference.
So Hope Reef is actually based off an island called Bontasua Island, and the locals from that island work hand in hand with the Sheba Hope Grows team in order to be able to restore the nearby reefs. When we got there, the community was already busy working on building reef stars.
So right behind me, they are building the reef stars. What they do is break off small fragments of the coral which get attached to the reef star, and then that is later placed in specific areas around the reef, and over time that grows into a brand new reef, which is incredible to see. The community from the island right here is who's working together to build the reef stars, and it's amazing to see them all work in unison and get these reef stars built so quickly. It's amazing how fast they can do it. So once these first 100 reef stars have been finished, we're going to go down and take them into the water and place them where they're going to sit for the next year plus as they grow out into full coral reefs. So I'm going to go get some more drone shots and then join me down under the water to see how they place the reef stars.
Just come out from seeing Hope Reef for the first time, and honestly it's so incredible. It's so healthy. The biodiversity of coral and fish is just amazing, and you never know that that is an artificially restored reef. You just think that it's a reef that's been there the entire time. It's amazing. You can barely see the reef stars at this point, and it's definitely one of the healthiest reefs that I've seen anywhere across the world. Incredible to see, and the contrast between what we've just planted to what's already there for the last 10-15 years, it's amazing. It really gives me amazing hope for what this reef will be like when it's completely planted out. It was incredible being able to see Hope for the first time, and just to see how much a coral restoration program actually can do and the amount of real-world impact that it can have. It was just as amazing to see the local community be so involved and care so much about their local reefs, and to see the team work together in the field. I've never seen a team in the field laugh so much and have such a good time whilst doing their job. It's really evident that this team loves what they do. I'm honestly so excited about this project and the amazing work that it does to restore corals, not only here in Indonesia, but across the world as well. And I'm super excited to potentially be going out to other sites across the world to see their restoration efforts as well. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this behind the scenes look as to how a coral restoration project can work, how coral fragmentation and propagation works, and hopefully, like me, it's given you some hope for the future of coral reefs. I'll catch you all in the next one.